Hey everyone! Want to work faster and smarter in Google Docs? Today, I'm showing you 15 essential keyboard shortcuts that'll seriously speed up your workflow. Let's jump right in. Ctrl + C, copy. Highlight text, press Ctrl + C, boom, it's copied. Ctrl + V, paste. Paste it anywhere with Ctrl + V. Simple and fast. Ctrl + X, cut. Need to move text. Use Ctrl + X to cut it. Think of it like copy, but make it disappear. Ctrl + Z, undo. Made a mistake? Ctrl + Z is your best friend. Undo instantly. Ctrl + Shift + Z, redo. Changed your mind again? Ctrl + Shift + Z redos the last thing. Ctrl + A, select all. Want to select your entire doc? Ctrl + A selects everything in one shot. Ctrl + Delete. Delete the next word. Instead of backspacing one letter at a time, Ctrl + Delete removes the next word. Speedy editing. Ctrl + B, bold. Highlight your text and hit Ctrl + B to bold it. Emphasize with style. Ctrl + I, italic. Make your text slant with Ctrl + I. Perfect for quotes or emphasis. Ctrl + U, underline. Underline it with Ctrl + U. Clean and classic. Ctrl + Shift + C, word count. Need a word count fast? Hit Ctrl + Shift + C. No scrolling needed. Ctrl + F, find. Looking for something specific? Ctrl + F opens the find bar. Search with ease. Ctrl + H, find and replace. Bonus tip: Ctrl + H lets you find and replace text. Super useful for fixing repeated typos. Ctrl + Shift + greater than, increase font size. Make your text bigger. Great for headings. And Ctrl + Shift + less than makes it smaller. Fine-tune your formatting.